सम्पदः शत्रुबुद्धिविनाशाय दीपज्योतिर्नमोऽस्तु ते दीपज्योतिर्नमोऽस्तु ते।
श्रीमहागणपते शिवकुमार गणपते शक्तिरूप गणपते सदानन्द गणपते श्रीमहागणपते शिवकुमार गणपते शक्तिरूप गणपते सदानन्द गणपते एकदन्त गणपते हेरम्ब गणपते लम्बोदर गणपते लालित गुण गणपते श्रीमहागणपते शिवकुमार गणपते शक्तिरूप गणपते सदानन्द गणपते विघ्नराज गणपते विघ्नमूल गणपते विद्याधर गणपते विजयधीर गणपते श्रीमहागणपते शिवकुमार गणपते शक्तिरूप गणपते सदानन्द गणपते
करुणाकर गणपते गौरी सुत गणपते प्रणवरूप गणपते परम शांत गणपते श्री महागणपते शिवकुमार गणपते शक्तिरूप गणपते सदानंद गणपते नमस्तेस्तु गणपते नमस्तेस्तु गणपते नमस्ते 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 श्री महागणपते शिवकुमार गणपते शक्तिरूप गणपते सदानंद गणपते शक्तिरूप गणपते सदानंद गणपते शक्तिरूप गणपते सदानंद गणपते।
Namaste to everyone and a very happy morning to all who are present here. A warm welcome to LRG Public School Virtual Investiture Ceremony. On behalf of this occasion, I would like to welcome our special chief guest Sri M. Srinivasa Rao sir, a retired Navy commander. Namaste sir. And I would like to welcome our guest of honor V. Balasundaram sir, a secretary of LRG Group of Institutions. Namaste sir. And a warm welcome to our principal Bharti ma'am. Namaste ma'am. And I would like to welcome my dear colleagues, parents and my dear students. I thank and wish all of you to make this event a grand success. Thank you. Thank you once again.
Namaste to all those who are present in the Google Meet and also those who are watching live through YouTube. There has been much controversy over the concept of leadership, where few believe that leaders are born, where some say that the leaders are made. And I would like to quote a verse from Ramayana in this context from Yuddhakanda, where Valmiki, on the occasion of Sri Rama's coronation, he says, Ramam Ratnamaye Peetham Vasishthonyaveshayat, which means that the Kulaguru Vasishtha made Rama to occupy the throne. The point to be noted here is, though Rama was the legal heir, unless Valmiki made him occupy the throne, he did not ever claim the throne. Following the same principle at LRG, we are trying to make leaders of the future. Today, the responsibility invested is not just a role, it is all about the goal. Before carefully handpicking these members, particularly the head boy and the head girl of these prestigious institutions, the contestants, they were given multiple challenges in 4 different rounds. Here I'd like to put them in a nutshell. Number 1, the students' online voting was done. Thanks to the pandemic that we did with a paperless voting. And the second test was the reasoning and analytical test. The third, the gurus, the teachers, we have taken the opinion of the teachers and we have made every staff member a part of this system. And finally, the contestants' creative skills also were put to test. After all these final tests, emerged the head boy and head girl of this institution. One important point here, those who could not come up to this hot seat do not mean that they are losers. the very attempt to contest was their first step towards success. My hearty congratulations to all these prefectorial council and my best wishes to all the contestants. Actually, I had planned to celebrate this event in a very big way, inviting all the parents, our mother institution, Vidyalayam, faculty, students, and even our college, LRG Naidu College, the staff, everyone. But the pandemic has made us to celebrate it in a different way. Finally, I would say, and I believe that we have won over the virus, because nothing, even the virus couldn't stop us. And we are able to make the best utilization of the virtual platform that is available to us and see that nothing stops because of something. And now I would like to declare Master H. Mauneesh as the head boy of this LRG public school.
Badge is not for mentoring, but it is for leadership to complete all the duties and responsibilities I need to do. I promise that I follow all the rules and regulations. I make sure that all the students will follow the same and be disciplined. I believe if you truly want to change your life, you must first be willing to change your mind. If you all follow this law, we can run after living a better way in society. Being a head boy is
Now may I invite the head girl of the school, Miss R. Sonali Kumari, to present her address.
My school's reputation would be my first priority, and my duties would be my honor. A word to my cabinet members: it is nice to be important, but it is more important to be nice. So let us all keep our differences aside and know that I will fulfill my duties with best of my efforts. I will be looking forward towards your expectations.
Congratulations and celebrations when I tell everyone that you're in love with me. Congratulations and jubilations. I want the world to know I'm happy as can be. Who would believe that I could be happy and contented? I used to think that happiness hadn't been invented, but that was in the bad old days before I met you. When I let you walk into my heart. Congratulations and celebrations when I tell everyone that you're in love with me. Congratulations and jubilations. I want the world to know I'm happy as can be. I was afraid that maybe you thought you were above me, that I was only fooling myself to think you'd love me. But then tonight you said you couldn't live without me. The roundabout me, you wanted to stay. Congratulations and celebrations when I tell everyone that you're in love with me. Congratulations and jubilations. I want the world to know I'm happy as can be.
Wished for to come in the school. This must be the best moment of your life. Congratulations once again, and may I now request mother of Deputy Head Girl N. Shrisha, Miss N. Shweta, to please present her feeling at this moment.
నమస్తే టు వన్ అండ్ ఆల్. ఐఎమ్ వెరీ ఈరోజు నాకు చాలా సంతోషంగా ఉంది. మా చైల్డ్ని మీరు ఎప్పుడు హెల్ప్గా చేసినందుకు. తర్వాత ఇంత పాండమిక్ టైంలో కూడా మీరు ఇంత బాగా ఈ ప్రోగ్రామ్ అంతా అరేంజ్ చేసి కిడ్స్ అంతా ఇంత ఎంకరేజ్మెంట్ ఇస్తూ ఉన్నారు. సో దట్ చాలా నచ్చింది ఈ ప్రోగ్రామ్ అంతా. ఈవెన్ ఈ 3 yearsలో మీరు ఈ సిబిఎస్ఈ ఎడ్యుకేషన్ అనేది పర్ఫెక్ట్గా అట్లే రన్ చేస్తూ ఉన్నారు. ఎస్పెషలీ టు ద భారతి మ్యామ్, అంటే మేము పేరెంట్స్ ఏం సజెషన్స్ ఇచ్చినా మీరు అదంతా తీసుకొని వాళ్ళకి కరెక్ట్గా ఎంకరేజ్మెంట్ అంతా ఇస్తూ చాలా నీట్గా ఇదంతా చేస్తూ ఉన్నారు. సో వెరీ థ్యాంక్ఫుల్ టు వన్ అండ్ ఆల్.
Very good. Thank you, madam. Thank you so much for your true words. We hope we'll continue with your expectations to fulfill. Thank you so much. Now I would like to request mother of cultural captain Aditi Sharma. Aditi Sharma's mother, would you please present your opinion? Is she available, ma'am?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, please, ma'am. Over to you. Over to you.
First of all, thank you so much for giving me this opportunity to share my opinion and view on this Invest Teacher ceremony. I would like to congratulate the team of the school as well as the management people for innovating something like this and presenting it and making it successful. Because thoughts are wavering, thoughts will come and go, but how best you make your thoughts into reality is your challenging part. So for that, LRG team and staff, especially principal ma'am and the assistant principal ma'am, everybody, one and all who are here, I really thank you so much for making this happen and starting inculcating this kind of leadership qualities, responsibilities, and knowing the responsibilities and making it feel for them like this is my responsibility, I need to do. This must have come from the school level itself. So I always believe that everything is possible through practice. Practice makes everything perfect, not only man. So thank you so much for making this opportunity into reality. Congratulations and congratulations to everybody, one and all. Thank you so much. And kids and all, congratulations to all the kids here. Wish you all the best. You are the first team, first spirit of the school. Keep it grow. After 10 years, you should see your juniors and say, I did like this when I was a first girl of a cultural captain or something like that. So that must be the era to be followed from today onwards. I wish you all the best once again. Thank you so much.
Thank you, madam, for your wonderful words, and we of course promise you to fulfill all the needed responsibilities to be inculcated in the children from day one. Thank you so much. May I now request Honorable Chief Guest of today's event, Sri S. Srinivas sir, to please present his address and share his feelings at this moment.
Okay, thank you, madam. At the outset, I would like to congratulate all the students who have been invested in the Private Career Council. I also congratulate Bharati madam and her team for this wonderful event. I have known many schools during this pandemic have not conducted Invest ceremony. Either they have cancelled or deferred indefinitely. But whereas your school has done this virtually, which is a great thing to do. And I also appreciate the management which has extended the cooperation with this school team. And in fact, normally chief guest is the one who invests the students, but here the honor has been given to the parents. So my hearty congratulations to each and every parent. In fact, every parent is a chief guest now. So give them a big hand.
Yeah.
Okay. Now, coming to this regarding leadership, which the principal has. I'm talking to students basically, addressing them. Now, leadership is very widely studied subject since ages. People have different views on it. Many people say they are born, some people say they can be trained. But what is established, what has been established over a period of time is, and accepted by many people is, a leader emerges also, but everybody will have certain inherent qualities. There is nobody, like which seed will sprout. If you sprinkle some seeds all over randomly, the seed which falls in a fertile land will sprout. A seed which lands up on a stone will not sprout. So this is what the environment is all about. So basically, as far as students are concerned, it is a great opportunity for these prefects that they got an opportunity to exhibit their leadership qualities, and the teachers nurture them, parents to cooperate. So time and tide waits for none. So tide. The first and foremost thing a leader should have is trustworthiness. It should mean what he says. He should stand by his promises, commitments. But again, whenever there is a change in the scenario, the leader should be prompt enough to share the changes also with his colleagues, his team members. That's what all is trust about. And then comes integrity. They are the words you can find out from the dictionary or Google search. Wide meaning is given, but as far as present scenario is concerned, it is culmination of various qualities like honesty, sincerity. All this put together is integrity. Then comes discipline. Discipline is what? Two types. One is self-discipline, the other is following the discipline of the school. Without being told to do certain things you have to do. Because once you are in leadership position, all your followers, when I say followers means not only your colleagues, all the junior students, LKG, first standard, all students who are much junior to you, they look at you as an example. So this is where integrity comes in, self-discipline comes in. And then next one is energy. This is a time when you have to energize yourself through physical activities, take part in various school events, sports, games, plantation of trees, or maybe social work, in whichever way you can do it based upon your own convenience and opportunities. Then comes, say from physical activity, what flows out is confidence. If you do not know whether you can really run for 5 kilometers, how do you know it? Confidence will not come from somewhere. Once you start running it, you get to know your own energy levels. If you can't achieve the target on day one, maybe after a few days, a few attempts, you do achieve it. It may take more time. They are all about confidence. And then comes mutual respect. Just because you are head boy, head girl, or architect, or house captain, don't pass over the people. Remember, because you are in senior classes, you have become. Many of your own classmates may be having similar qualities. But by process, you have been selected and elected. So there is something called dignity of labor, you can say, or mutual respect. And all said and done, this entire school system is one. You are all, same school types, class types. So have this spirit of cooperation. So God bless you, and I'm very sure your parents will guide you, your house teachers will guide you, your principal, all the school leadership will guide you on this, and we wish you all the best. It is a wonderful event. Once again, I congratulate you and
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much for
conducting it virtually. That is a great thing. And importantly, at the beginning of the session, many people open so many ourselves they do it. But doing a wonderful job.
Thank you very much, sir.
All your team members.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much for your inspiring words.
Nothing but
newly elected
all
members of the council.
interpersonal relations. Maintain them. Jai Hind.
Sure, sir. Thank you. Thank you so much for your inspiring words to all the newly elected members of the council, sir. Hope they'll do their best. Thank you so much. And may I now request our guest of honor, Shri V. Balasundaram, sir, Secretary, LRG Group of Institution, to please share his opinion at this moment.
Distinguished Chief Guest, Srinivasa Rao Garu, my dear LRG faculty members and the students and the parents, good morning to one and all. Today it is a great day in the LRG's history, I can say. We have started off well with this online ceremony, conducting the ceremony even in this pandemic. And I hope that it is just a beginning. And apart from this, I take this opportunity to thank all the students as well as the chief guest also for spending this time today. And I also wish all the students the best of luck for conducting their duties in the additional responsibilities which have been entrusted upon them apart from their education. I am confident that you students will come out with flying colors and establish our LRG institution's reputation and take it forward further. And also I take this opportunity today to present a few points on our what is going to be our vision in the coming 2 to 3 years. We are planning to actually shift into a new premises with a new building, but due to this pandemic, it has been held up. Or otherwise, we would have been already started with the new building, the work of the new building. So, in this pandemic, it has been delayed slightly, so it may take maybe another 1 or 2 years to complete the project. So, until then, we have also made some alternate arrangements by acquiring additional building to the adjacent to our present school. That is of around 15,000 square feet building, where we are going to expand and add upon some classes like nursery and maybe even second classes for first standard,
up to second.
Yeah, on the academic year onwards. So we are not only, apart from growing ourselves with the number of students, we are also focusing on quality education, and our main mission is to prepare you children for facing your challenges in the life, not just education. So we wanted to prepare each and every children for their life. That is our statement, mission statement. And with these few words, I just close down my short brief and leave it to my colleagues to continue.
Yes. Thank you, sir.
Thank you very much, sir.
Thank you. And we are so happy for your vision, and of course we promise to be with you along with the vision you have. Let us all together serve for the betterment of the school. Thank you so much, sir. And I would like to, with the kind permission of the chief guest and the guest of honor, may I now request the principal of the institution to please inaugurate the digital magazine of the school, first digital magazine of the school, Spectrum. Yes, over to you, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you.
Yeah. Yes, ma'am. It is open.
Ma'am?
Visible. Yeah, visible.
Yes. Yes.
Yes, ma'am. It is open. You can turn the pages even.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Oh, it's beautiful. Find out what's going on all around the school. Okay, kids pop. The school. Yes, these are all the, and I would like to given by our students. They have done on their own. Happy to share with you all. This is the school magazine, first magazine for 21-22, Spectrum. And these are all the articles given by the students, and their photo is being given as well. So happy. Nice. Hope you're all able to see. Yes. Craft work. Travel. Hobby of travel. Yes. Some new things to know. Teluskundam. These are all the student articles. Their own write-ups and drawings. About mother, about poems, about pandemic as well, about the technology as well. Children have donated all the nice articles. The best ones are selected and given a nice shape in the form of Spectrum, the school magazine. A tribute to the frontline corner warriors. Yes.
Corona warriors.
Corona warriors. I'm sorry. Corona
People
warriors.
may have to zoom
Yes.
up
Small
to be able to read
stories.
the content of this.
Small stories. Yeah, of course, we will send it across to the groups and in the website as well. You can thoroughly go through when you have time. Importance of the months as well, and about the child labor article is being given by the head boy of the school about child labor. And yes, all 10th standard children have also given few articles for this magazine. Thank you all. And the editorial board, of course, we are all there. Thank you so much. Hope I can now stop sharing.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
A big hand to Ms. Haimavati, who has technologically helped to happen this.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much.
Yeah, this is a good thing. Nicely done.
Thank you, sir. The credit goes to Ms. Haima. And even mention about her husband, Mr. Vamshi Krishna, who also was a guide behind all this.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Is
Thank
the
you
IT
so
teacher
much.
or what?
No, ma'am. No, sir. She is only my primary English teacher, and her husband happens to be examination in charge of BIT College of Technology, the most private institution here in engineering.
Yes. So I would like
Okay,
to
she is ready there, name, no?
congratulate. Yes. Shall we proceed further?
Yeah, ma'am. You may proceed.
Yeah, thank you. Thank you. Congratulations, the entire school, for having presented such a beautiful magazine. Congratulations to us. Thank you. And I would like to request the guest of honor, V. Balasundaram sir, Secretary of LRG Group of Institutions, to please present the certificates for the best work, certificate for the teachers who have been, staff who have been working since 3 years. It's a kind of identifying their service. I think ma'am can do with the kind permission of
I will do this, ma'am, with the permission of...
Balasundaram.
Yes,
Yeah.
sir.
With the
Yes,
kind
madam, you
permission
can-
of Secretary sir, ma'am can give.
Yes,
Yes.
madam, you can proceed with. And I
Thank
also
you,
once
sir.
again want to thank each and every one of you who have participated today in this ceremony. Thanks a lot on behalf of the management.
Certificates, which I would like to mention, in particular, Ms. Jyoti, who has been there before my coming to this school. She has been working dedicatedly. Any task given, she would be ready to take up the challenge. Thank you, Jyoti ma'am. And next in line is Ms. Savita. Here I'd like to say that she is a product of LRG Vidyalayam. A native of Hindupur, brought up in Hindupur, studied and taught in LRG Vidyalayam. And because of her talent, she has been absorbed in CSE school also. And next in line is Miss K. Manjula. In the times when it is tough to find the social teachers, I have found her to be a very, very talented social sciences teacher. And myself being a social sciences teacher, I know how tough it is to find a social teacher equally. The next person in line is Miss Anchana, who is a very, very, very down-to-earth lady, very obedient lady for the India department. The next in line is Miss Jayalakshmi. She is a science faculty, MSc Chemistry, pursuing her MSc Chemistry. She too has been there with us for the past 3 years, and she tries to inculcate the curiosity, she is the one who nurtures the curiosity among the students of primary classes. now here it is Mr. Govindappa, who happens to be our Telugu faculty, who has been there with us for the past 3 years since the day of inception. He is really talented, I would like to say. Ms. Hasina Fatima, who has been there working at the time of need. She would work even day and night. Here is our team to be mentioned. Don't worry, all these things could happen only because of the cooperation of Mr. Murthy, who has been our team. Had he not toiled around the town, maybe sash, badge, certificates, all these things would not have got ready.
We also have one more math faculty, Ms. G. Sridevi, a very dedicated lady.
And finally, I would like to say that those teachers who are not presented with the certificates, not to get disheartened, because the purpose is to recognize those who have been here since the day of inception. So maybe after completing 3 years, all the other teachers also will get an appreciation certificate to boost up your enthusiasm to continue to work with LRG. Thank you all of you.
Thank you, ma'am. It was such a sweet surprise. It is not that when we are working we are so happy and satisfied. It is that somebody identifies, recognizes the work and tells, of course, we are now double boosted to work further better in the coming years. Thank you so much on behalf of all my dear colleagues. I would like to thank you and the management for having given this wonderful opportunity of being there with LRG. And everybody knows about LRG, how good it is and how it is working with the goodwill during Corona time as well, during pandemic as well. So from the bottom of hearts, we would all like to thank the management for having been like pillars in the life of all the teachers during pandemic especially. These are all the words felt from the heart. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you to the ma'am as well. And now let me invite Miss Kavita P, Math Department, to propose vote of thanks at this moment.
Namaste everyone. Principal ma'am, teachers, parents and my dear students. It's my privilege to propose a vote of thanks speech and acknowledging the contribution of everyone who made this virtual ceremony happen. On behalf of LRGPS and the entire fraternity of the institution, first of all, extend the most sincere thanks to the Honorable Chief Guest, Sri Srinivas Rao Garu, retired Navy Commander, for gracing the occasion. Today we had an opportunity to hear you, sir. Your thoughts have shown us the new path. Thank you, sir. Thank you very much. I am immensely thankful to our respected Secretary, sir, of the institution, Sri V. Balasundaram Garu, for his enormous cooperation in the organization. I thank him for his continuous support, sir. Thank you very much, sir. A special mention to our respected Principal Madam T.B. Bharati for being the catalyst and stimulated us to our best and standing as the pillars of the strength. She is the one who is behind this idea of celebrating the virtual ceremony. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you very much.
Thank you, ma'am.
I also extend thanks to all the staff members, a team of very proactive and dedicated teachers who also well versed in their job. An event like this cannot happen overnight. It requires planning and a bird eye for detail. With this note, I extend my heartfelt thanks to the technical department, Mr. Vamsi Krishna, exam department of Pitts College, Hindupur, and Ms. Haimavati, LRGPS faculty, for their involvement and their willingness to take on the completion of the task. My sincere gratitude goes to all the parents, well-wishers, for your rock-solid support system and encouragement. Finally, I would like to thank our budding rock stars made this event successful. A big thanks to each one of you who made this day memorable for all of us. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Ms. Kavita. Thank you so
very
much.
much, ma'am.
Yeah. Over to PET for National Anthem.
Yes. I request all of you to please stand up. You may put off your video. Murthy garu, are you ready?
तब शुभ आशीष मांगे गावे तब जय गाथा जगत मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय जय
Thank you one and all for your wonderful participation.